In today's video, I'm going to show you how to warp text into shape using Photoshop's built-in warp text feature. This is the fastest and easiest way to curve or bend text for logos, banners, thumbnails, posters, or social media graphics. If you want clean, curved text in just a few clicks without complicated tools, this method is perfect for you. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and step-by-step guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and create a new document or open an existing project where you want to add warped text. Once your canvas is ready, go to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and select the Type tool. You can also press the letter T on your keyboard as a shortcut. Now click anywhere on your canvas and type the text you want to warp. This could be a brand name, a headline, or any word you want to style. After typing your text, make sure the text layer is selected in the Layers panel. This is important because the warp option only works when a text layer is active. With your text layer selected, look at the top options bar. You'll see a curved T icon. This is the Warp Text button. Go ahead and click that icon. As soon as you click it, the Warp Text dialog box will appear. At the top, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Style. This is where you choose the shape of your warp. Click the drop-down and you'll see multiple preset styles, such as arc, arc lower, bulge, shell upper, shell lower, flag, wave, fish, rise, fisheye, inflate, squeeze, and more. If you want a simple curved logo style effect, choose arc. If you want the curve to bend downward instead of upward, choose arc lower. For something more dynamic and playful, you can experiment with wave or flag. Go ahead and click on different styles to preview how they affect your text. Photoshop updates the preview in real time, so you can instantly see the result. Once you've chosen a style, you can fine-tune the shape using the sliders below. The first slider is Bend. This controls how strong the curve is. Move it to the right to increase the bend, or to the left to reverse the direction. Subtle adjustments usually look more professional, especially for logos. Next, you'll see Horizontal Distortion. This stretches or compresses the text from left to right. Small adjustments here can help balance your design if the work feels too tight or too wide. Then there's Vertical Distortion. This stretches or compresses the text up and down. Again, use this carefully. A little distortion can add style, but too much can make the text hard to read. Take a few seconds to experiment with these sliders until you get the exact look you want. The key is to keep your design readable while adding visual interest. When you're happy with the result, click OK. And that's it. Your text is now warped into shape. This quick method is best for simple curves and fast design work. It's perfect for logos, badges, YouTube thumbnails, banners, and social media posts, where you just need a clean curved effect without spending extra time on advanced tools. The only downside is that it offers limited custom control compared to more advanced warping techniques, but for most everyday projects, it works beautifully. If you ever want to edit the warp, just make sure the text layer is selected and click the warp text icon again. You can adjust the style and sliders at any time, as long as the layer remains editable text. And that's how you warp text into shape using Photoshop's built-in warp text feature. Quick, simple, and extremely effective. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.